Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Barbie Dreamhouse on the market, the Barbie Dreamhouse 3-story dollhouse playset. Standing at an impressive 3.75 feet tall, this beautifully designed dollhouse offers endless fun and imaginative play for kids aged 3 to 7 years old. Right from the start, you'll notice how spacious and detailed this dreamhouse is. It measures 43 inches tall and 41 inches wide, featuring 3 full stories packed with 10 indoor and outdoor play areas. From a cozy kitchen and living room to a party room with a DJ booth, every corner invites your child to create their own stories and adventures. One of the most exciting features is the working elevator that can lift up to 4 dolls or even a Barbie doll in a wheelchair, allowing for inclusive play. On top of that, there's a second-story slide that leads right into a sparkling pool, adding an extra layer of fun. The pool and grass area are customizable, so kids can rearrange the layout to make their dream home truly unique. The slide itself can be placed in 4 different locations, sparking creativity with every setup. Customization doesn't stop there. The dollhouse includes over 75 storytelling pieces, from plush blankets and modern decor to realistic kitchen appliances. Some of the furniture even transforms, like a bunk bed that folds down from the wall or a barbecue grill that flips to reveal a dessert buffet. There's also an entertainment center that doubles as a pet play area, complete with a puppy pool and slide, making sure pets get their special spot in the home too. Adding to the immersive experience, this dreamhouse features realistic lights and sounds. You can choose from 8 light color options and 4 different lighting settings, including day mode, night mode, party mode, and mood lighting. Plus, there are 2 soundscapes and 3 songs to set the perfect atmosphere for any story your child wants to bring to life. Built with attention to detail, the textures and finishes on the pieces are designed to feel plush and realistic, enhancing the sensory play experience. Assembly is required but straightforward, and the set runs on 3 Ah batteries, which power all the customizable lights and sounds. Overall, the Barbie Dreamhouse 3-story playset is a vibrant, interactive toy that offers endless imaginative possibilities. Its size, detailed features, and customizable elements make it a standout choice for families looking to gift a high-quality dollhouse that can grow with their child's creativity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.